Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, we're going to take a look at a company we don't feature much here on the channel. We're going to take a look at Bastion Talon. Now, I like these packages because they're kind of easy to open, and yeah, I've already got the blade out, but that's just kind of the inside of that one. I know. But there it is. Now, we have brought some stuff from Bastion to the channel before. Take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single affordable everyday carry series blade we've ever brought. You're going to see some up in there. All right. I like the look of the olive drab green scales on the black. To me, it's really timeless. It's really great. I love that just Wharncliffe style where it's just a plain, mean, nasty edge. And it's going to be great for like a self-defense tool or just, I don't know, your everyday carry needs. Now, you can find these over on www.bastiongear.com. Don't worry, I'm going to leave a link down below. I'm going to leave all that fun stuff like I usually do in the description box. One-click, easy access. All right, it's got an overall length of about 7.75 inches, so yeah, it is kind of big. Now, hold on. All right, I had to play with that a moment. The blade is about 3.3, and closed it's about 4.45. Now, it does have a very minor weight to it of 4.550 ounces. Like I said in the opening, it is done in the Wharncliffe style with a plain edge. And the problem is, between Amazon and Bastion Gear, I cannot find what kind of grind it has. These are not listed on Blade HQ, so I couldn't really run down the grind. It does have like a black coating on there to help against rust resistance, all that fun kind of stuff. And as you can kind of see right there, we do have D2 steel in this guy. Now, it does have a black stainless steel frame. As you can see, we do have a liner lock with, like I said earlier, the olive drab scales. They are G10. Now, they stated repeatedly that there is a ceramic bearings in there. So it's really got this really smooth opening that you can either use with, you know, the thumb studs or the flipper. It opens up pretty smooth basically every single time. Now, there is only one way to carry this guy. It is right-hand carry, tip up. Now, yes, you do have a lanyard hole right here. Of course, camera dump. Like I said, the company is based out of Swanee, Georgia, but there was a question asked on Amazon where the parts were sourced, and the answer from Bastion is they said all over Asia. All right, now let's do the fun stuff like we usually do here on the channel. We're going to do some cut tests. We usually do 3 simple ones, and if you're curious why I do these, take a look right up there. There's a card for why I do those cut tests. All right, first one, like usual, heavy-duty stock paper. Now, what gets me is, can you kind of see right there? It's almost like it's pushing that paper to one side. But, all right, let's see if we can get a curly cue. Yeah. Alright, so they were forming small. Basically, the reason why I like to do those is anybody can take a blade and just go sharp. But if you drag it slow and steady right across, oh, there we go. That's what should happen. It should basically curl back into itself. That's to show there's really no micro abrasions or any of that fun stuff on the blade that likes to screw it up. But as you can see through there, that's from pulling it across. And we can see like a little snowfall. But okay. So next up, Paracord. Alright. Let's do a pull test. Oh, holy shiza. Yeah, that's a fail. Alright, let's do a slice. Yeah, no problem with there. It was really clean, too. But what in the actual, you-know-what was up with that pull test? And yes, ladies and gentlemen, I have yet to get hit with a ratchet strap injunction. So, Mr. Ratchet Strap is back. Yep, went through there, no problem. Alright, like we usually do. I don't see any really stuff on the blade. There is a little bit of... Wow, I'm getting a glare. Is a little bit of snowfall up here, but that's okay. Alright, so I did the homework on this guy on March 3rd, 2021, and it is now March 10th, 2021, when I'm shooting this video. I took a look on Amazon, Bastion, and Blade HQ. Now, like I stated earlier, I could not find this on Blade HQ. I could find some bits and pieces of everyday carry gear from Bastion and one blade on Blade HQ. Excuse me, but not this guy. On Amazon, it's $38.99, Prime eligible. And on Bastion, it's got basically a $50 charge for $49.99. It's been reviewed 5 times on Bastion for a 5 out of 5 star rating. And on Amazon, like they usually love to do, this one has a 4.5 out of 5 star rating with 236 reviews. Not just for this blade, but for bastiongear.com. They took all those and clumped them together. So you take that for what it's worth. But we are at the most important part of this video. As a matter of fact, it's the most important part of all my videos. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this Talon is a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? I'd really like to know what you think. I mean, other than that pull test, I really haven't had any issues with it. I do like that little bit of jimping there. I love how smooth it is to get open. And like I said, I like the olive drab on the black look to it. It's timeless to me. But for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you've got lots of options out there nowadays, and I'm very, very grateful that you're choosing my channel. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do, and you never know how your suggestion may change the course of this channel's history. Now, after all that fun stuff, I know all this is free and I'm asking an awful lot, okay? Take a look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we all know and love on YouTube, two will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Bastion Talon. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for, the time and all the great stuff you gave me today. I hope you're having a great one. I hope you're having a safe one, and we'll see you in the next video.